trip to Florence, Italy. Look no further. Join me, Alice, in this video as I guide you through the top 14 must-do activities to make your Italian vacation truly unforgettable. From exploring iconic landmarks like the Duomo and Ponte Vecchio to indulging in authentic Italian cuisine and art, this comprehensive guide will ensure you make the most of your time in Florence. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty and culture of this enchanting city. Start planning your dream Italian getaway today, plus stick around to the end. I have one bonus activity that may surprise you. Number 1, visit the Florence Cathedral Duomo. Our journey begins at the heart of Florence, the awe-inspiring Florence Cathedral, also known as Il Duomo. Did you know that the cathedral's iconic dome, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, remains one of the largest brick domes ever constructed? Step inside and marvel at its intricate frescoes, including Vasari's The Last Judgment, which adorn the dome's interior. And remember to climb to the top for panoramic views of the cityscape below. Number 2, explore the Uffizi Gallery. Next on our itinerary is a visit to the Uffizi Gallery, a veritable treasure trove of Renaissance art. Originally built as offices for Florentine magistrates in the 16th century, the Uffizi now houses an unparalleled collection of masterpieces. Did you know that the gallery's most famous painting, Botticelli's The Birth of Venus, depicts the goddess emerging from a giant seashell, symbolizing her birth from the sea foam? Wander through its halls and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of these iconic works of art. Number 3, stroll across the Ponte Vecchio. As we traverse the historic streets of Florence, our next stop is the legendary Ponte Vecchio, the oldest bridge in the city. Dating back to the 14th century, this bridge is renowned for its unique design and charming shops. But did you know that the Ponte Vecchio also has a delicious secret? Beneath its bustling exterior lies the Vasari Corridor, a hidden passageway built by the Medici family in the 16th century. Rumour has it that the corridor was used to transport food from the Pitti Palace to the Palazzo Vecchio without mingling with the common folk. Enjoying the video so far, be sure to check out my website for money-saving travel tips and tricks and the must-have travel gadgets. I have included the link in the description below, along with the top 10 travel items I don't travel without. Number 4, indulge in Tuscan cuisine. Every visit to Florence would only be complete with savouring the culinary delights of Tuscan cuisine. Renowned for its simplicity and use of fresh, locally sourced ingredients, Tuscan cuisine celebrates flavour and tradition. But did you know that some of Florence's most iconic dishes have humble origins? Take ribollita, for example, a hearty soup made from leftover bread and vegetables. Originally a peasant dish, ribollita has since become a beloved staple of Tuscan cuisine, enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Number 5, climb the Giottos bell tower. For breathtaking views of Florence, ascend to the top of Giottos bell tower, adjacent to the Florence Cathedral. Did you know this campanile or bell tower offers a unique perspective of the city's architectural marvels? From its lofty heights, you can admire the intricate details of the cathedral's facade and panoramic vistas of the surrounding hills and valleys. Number 6, wander through the Boboli Gardens. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Boboli Gardens. Originally laid out in the 16th century for the Medici family, these sprawling gardens are a testament to Renaissance landscaping. But did you know that the Boboli Gardens are also home to a hidden gem of Tuscan cuisine? Nestled within the gardens is the Buontalenti Grotto, a charming cafe where visitors can indulge in traditional Tuscan dishes amidst lush greenery and trickling fountains. Number 7, discover the Bargello Palace. History enthusiasts prepare to be amazed by the Bargello Palace, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Florence. Built in the 13th century as a fortress and later used as a prison, the Bargello now houses a remarkable collection of Renaissance sculptures. But did you know that the Bargello also offers a unique culinary experience? On select evenings, the palace hosts Renaissance-themed dinners, where guests can dine in the historic courtyard while being serenaded by live music and entertained by costumed performers. Number 8, attend an opera performance at the Teatro della Pergola. Immerse yourself in Florence's vibrant cultural scene by attending a performance at the historic Teatro della Pergola. Dating back to the 17th century, This renowned opera house has hosted some of the world's most acclaimed artists and productions. But did you know that the theatre also offers pre-show dining experiences inspired by Tuscan cuisine? Indulge in a gourmet meal prepared by acclaimed chefs before enjoying an opera, ballet, or theatre evening in this stunning historic venue. Number 9. Take a day trip to the Tuscan countryside. While Florence is a treasure trove of delights, take advantage of the opportunity to explore the picturesque Tuscan countryside. Renowned for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming hilltop towns, Tuscany offers a glimpse into traditional Italian life. But did you know that the Tuscan countryside is also home to some of Italy's most beloved culinary traditions? From pecorino cheese to Chianti wine, the region's gastronomic delights are as rich and diverse as its landscape. Number 10. Watch the sunset from Piazzale Michelangelo. There's no better place to witness the beauty of Florence than Piazzale Michelangelo. Perched high above the city, this panoramic terrace offers sweeping views of Florence's iconic skyline. But did you know that Piazzale Michelangelo is also a popular spot for picnics and food festivals? On warm summer evenings, locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy alfresco dining, live music, and breathtaking sunsets against the backdrop of the city below. Number 11. Explore the Oltrarno district. As we venture across the Arno River to discover the Oltrarno district, Florence's best-kept secret. Known for its bohemian vibe and artisan workshops, the Oltrarno offers a glimpse into the authentic heart of Florence. But did you know the district is also home to some of the city's most beloved culinary gems? From family-run trattorias to trendy wine bars, the Oltrarno boasts a vibrant dining scene that reflects the diverse cultural heritage of its residents. Number 12. Discover the culinary heritage of Florence. As we've explored the wonders of Florence, we've encountered not just breathtaking architecture and timeless art, but also a rich tapestry of culinary delights that reflect the city's vibrant history and culture. From the humble origins of traditional dishes like lampredotto to the innovative creations of modern chefs, Florence's culinary heritage is as diverse as it is delicious. Join us as we delve deeper into Florentine cuisine and uncover the stories behind some of the city's most beloved dishes. Number 13. Experience Florentine festivals and traditions. Throughout the year, Florence comes alive with a vibrant calendar of festivals and traditions celebrating its rich cultural heritage. From the explosive fireworks displays during the Festa di San Giovanni to the colourful processions of the Scoppio del Carro, these events offer a unique glimpse into Florentine life. But did you know that many festivals also feature traditional food and drink? Sample delicacies like schiacciata alla fiorentina, a sweet Easter cake, or pan forte, a dense fruit cake enjoyed during the Christmas season, as you immerse yourself in the festivities of Florence. Number 14. Explore Florence's street food scene. For a taste of authentic Florentine cuisine on the go, be sure to explore the city's vibrant street food scene. From savoury snacks like lampredotto sandwiches to sweet treats like gelato, Florence offers a wide array of delectable delights to tempt your taste buds. But did you know that some of Florence's most beloved street foods have ancient origins? Take panino al lampredotto, a hearty sandwich with thinly sliced tripe simmered in a rich tomato sauce. Dating back to the Middle Ages, this humble dish has remained a favourite among locals and visitors. Bonus item: discover the art of gelato making. Florence would be complete without indulging in a scoop or two of creamy, delicious gelato. But did you know that gelato making is considered an art form in Florence? Join a gelato making workshop and learn the secrets behind creating this beloved Italian treat from scratch. From selecting the finest ingredients to mastering the art of churning and freezing, you'll gain insight into the time-honored techniques that have made Florentine gelato famous worldwide. I have also selected 2 videos for you on the end screen that I think you will really enjoy. With that, I will see you in the next one.